Hi everybody, it's Lara again. Welcome back to Intro to Linux Part 2. In this morsel, I will cover the basic concepts about system logs in Linux. Operating system logs provide a wealth of diagnostic information about our system. Everything from kernel events to user actions are logged by Linux. System logs are generally stored in the directory var log. This directory contains logs from the operating system itself, from the active services, and from various applications running on the system. There are a number of important log files to be aware of that are invaluable for system debugging in Linux. The name of and the path to each of these can be different depending on whether you are using a Debian-based distribution, like Ubuntu, or a Red Hat-based distribution, such as CentOS. Global system activity data, which includes things like system startup messages, is logged to var-log syslog or var-log messages. Data related to security events on the system, like user logins, root user actions, or outputs from pluggable authentication modules are logged to var-log authlog or var-log secure. Kernel events, errors, and warnings are logged to var-log kernlog, and data related to events scheduled on the system is logged to var-log cron. Installed applications and services typically log information to their own file or directory, which resides within the var-log directory. For example, the System Monitoring Software Package, Zabbix, writes log files contained within the var-log Zabbix directory. In the previous morsel, we learned about systemd and how to list and manage systemd services using the systemctl command. Systemd is also a powerful tool for system troubleshooting. Recall that to see which services are installed on our system, we can use the command systemctl list unit files -- type service. And to see failed services on our system, we can use systemctl -- failed. Identifying which services have failed is the obvious starting point to system debugging. Using this information, we can scan the system logs for more information on why the service failed and potential ways to fix the problem. This is where systemd is particularly powerful. Systemd has introduced a significant change in the way that system logs are gathered. Logs used to only be located in different places in the file system according to the service or daemon that created them. For example, those found in var-log. Systems managed by systemd have a great advantage in that the systemd daemon, journald, can collect all the logs generated by the services it manages into a single place for easy access. We can access all journald logs using the journalctl command, rather than having to comb through individual log files. Journalctl has powerful filtering options to look through the large set of log entries in order to find specific messages, alerts, or errors which are specific to certain applications, users, or services. Some ways in which the logs can be filtered include by time, by service, by user or group, by priority, by the most recent logs, or a combination of the above, and more. For a great tutorial on the basics of using the journalctl command, see the link in the video description. Also, remember to use the manual page. In the next morsel, I will show you how to access systemd logs using journalctl. Filter these logs in a way that is useful for the problem you are trying to solve, and use the displayed log messages to debug failed services on the system.